Hibernate is one of the power options in Windows to put your computer in a state where your works, open apps and documents, etc. are saved in your hard disk instead of RAM. When you wake your PC from hibernation, everything will be right where you left off, including running applications, open documents, etc. Unlike sleep mode, after hibernating your computer, you can cut the power off entirely and your PC will still be able to wake from hibernation after that. In this video tutorial we will learn how to enable Hibernate option in Windows 11. Before starting the video, you are requested to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. In Windows 11, search for Control Panel via Duck Start and click to open. Next, click Hardware and Sound in the Control Panel window. Then, select Power Options in the right pane. In the Power Options Settings window, click Choose what the power buttons do on the left pane. Now, you should be able to see the Hibernate option checkbox under Shutdown settings. However, the Hibernate and other Shutdown settings checkboxes are disabled by default, grayed out and not clickable. To make the Hibernate checkbox available and clickable, you need to first click the Change settings that are currently unavailable. This action requires your current user account to have administrative privileges. When user account control asks for permission, click Yes to proceed. When the shutdown settings become available, enable the Hibernate checkbox to make it show up in the Power menu. Hibernate option is enabled. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.